If you're low on frozen mangoes, put it on your list. Oh, and get me a box of lady sticks.
What are you making?
I'm making one of your fruit smoothies.
Oh, Pam.
All right, I'm making one of your homosexual smoothies. What the hell?
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Get the hose, it's in the window. Oh, Mitchell, hurry.
I bet that's what started the fire.
Well, how can it be when that's the first time it's sparked ever?
Yeah, it was the oven.
I turned that off. I told Mitchell.
She did?
Did you? I feel like I remember that.
You let me think I burned down the kitchen when you did?
It was the only way for me to get a say in the remodel.
Oh, don't be so dramatic. I let you pick things.
Really? Name one thing in this room that was my idea.
Oh, just one thing?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, well, fine. Oh, how about the blanket? Yeah, because you said it reminded you of the blanket you used to lay on at your grandparents' house and eat your caramel corn when you watched Mary Lou Retton vault her way into America's heart.
What are you talking about? Are you seriously trying to incept a memory in my mind to make me believe that I chose that blanket?
Oh, kind of like you made me think I burned down our kitchen?
Okay, well, why do we keep doing this to each other?
Oh, are we so broken that we can't even be honest?
Speaking of broken, how about a new blender? Chop Chop. That is both the brand and when I want it.
Okay, I have a theory that lets us both off the hook.
I'm inclined to be on board.
We both can agree that your sister can be a bit of a bully. Yes. I'm sure growing up, the only way to get your way was to be manipulative.
It might also be said you grew up oppressed by one of history's great monsters, your sister Claire.
Exactly. We're not terrible. They are.